The worth of elders in Igbo society. Today I want to talk about the importance of the elders in Igbo society. Thank you, Honorable Ejike Ikezuwagu, for this broadcast. In Igbo society, elders hold a revered and pivotal role, embodying the collective wisdom, tradition, and cultural heritage of the community. Their importance is multifaceted, spanning various aspects of Igbo life, from governance to social cohesion. They are the custodians of tradition, responsible for preserving, promoting, and transmitting the customs, rituals, and values that define the Igbo identity. They ensure that the rich cultural heritage is passed down from one generation to the next, maintaining a sense of continuity and identity among the people. They serve as mediators within communities and individuals that are in dispute. They provide wise and fair judgments, helping to maintain harmony and order. Young people look up to them for advice on various matters. Igbo elders hold significant spiritual authority, leading religious ceremonies and rituals. They act as intermediaries between the physical and spiritual realms, ensuring that the community remains in harmony with the ancestral spirits and deities. They symbolize social stability and continuity. They are the unifying force, fostering a sense of belonging and community among the people. The elders are the bedrock upon which the community is built. Their roles as custodians of tradition, culture, arbiters of justice, advisors, spiritual leaders, and symbols of stability underscore their irreplaceable importance in maintaining the fabric of Igbo culture and society. It is very vital to respect elders in Igbo society. Respect for elders is not merely a tradition, but a fundamental value that ensures social harmony and cultural continuity. Respect for elders in Igbo culture is a key pillar of social structure, vital for maintaining order, imparting knowledge, and reinforcing communal ties. It enriches both individual lives and the broader community. On a personal note, I, Honorable Ejike Ikezuwagu, stand today with the utmost respect and deep concern for the state of our Igbo society, especially across the United Kingdom where I reside. We witness a shift in our socio-political and economic landscapes. It is either from state to state or within the state. It is either from community to community or within the community. It is either from group to group or within the group or within individuals. It has gone out of hands. There is an urgent need for us to come together, not just as a people, but as a force for meaningful change. Our society is at a crossroads, facing numerous challenges such as economic instability and insecurity in Igbo land, the marginalization of our people in Nigeria, the hatred against the Igbo people in Nigeria, youth disengagement in all sectors, the erosion of our cultural values, and the growing disconnection from the wisdom of our ancestors. It is in times like these that the guidance and leadership of our elders are more crucial than ever. Your voice, your wisdom, and your actions have the power to lead us back to a path of prosperity, unity, and cultural preservation. I ask for us to intensify our efforts on cultural preservation, community engagement, economic empowerment, social justice and advocacy, education and mentorship. I urge you, revered elders, to do more. Your legacy and leadership are vital in this pivotal moment. The responsibility now lies with us all to take actionable steps toward a flourishing and united Igbo society. May we continue to work together for a brighter tomorrow. May I use this opportunity to extend my gratitude to the Igbo Council of Elders UK, ICE, in their efforts in preserving and promoting Igbo culture across the United Kingdom as they plan to host an event in celebrating Igbo New Yam Festival in the UK, Iriji Ndigbo UK Festival 2025. Thank you, Honorable Ejike Ikezuwagu, for this broadcast. Thank you all for watching and listening. Please share with your friends and families. For more updates, like and follow my Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok page, and subscribe to my YouTube channel with my name, Ejike Ikezuwagu. Thank you.